So today I saw my ex-husband because we're like doing the last stuff for the old house, and yeah, it's strange to see him. It's like I'm in two different kind of worlds, so the old world and like the new world, and it's also difficult like to not share everything that I've been through, and because I'm just always like honest and open. And yeah, he was not only my husband, but he was also my best friend. And yeah, that's difficult. um, but we talked, it was fun, and yeah, just shared that I had new work and that I have a car now, and I'm going to the gym and all this stuff. And yeah, it's good that I'm crying because I couldn't today yet. But yeah, maybe I'm just missing that. But I can also see like this is the next step for me. That's like beautiful friend once said that our season is done. um, and I'm grateful that he helped me in so many areas of my life and stood by my side when no one else did during cancer and all this stuff. That's something that I'm just so grateful for, and I will always be grateful for that part. And um, it doesn't make it doesn't dismiss what he did and the way he ended it and all the stuff, but that's something separated from all the things that he did do. And yeah, I'm just grateful for that. That's something that you can't erase. He doesn't. Yeah, that's yeah. But yeah, I'm I did good today. Didn't lash out. We just had normal conversations, and I was just like sharing, yeah, my new life, and also the struggles, or the, but not like blaming anymore, or that kind of stuff, or just accepting what is. And yeah, what I'm going to do with life, I have no clue. But I'm on the right way. Tomorrow I see him again, and we're going to empty more the other house, the old house. And next week we have to give the key, so that will be closed, and then I don't see him anymore. So heavy times, but it's good that it's coming out, so I'm just going to allow it now. So thank you, and see you tomorrow. Bye.